Today we're taking a look at Harbor Freight's Dollar Day deals from January 1st to the 14th, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B. Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So we're going to go over real quick here the Dollar Day deals for January 1st through the 14th. There is not very many of them, so this won't be a long video, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to be looking at here is they got a great deal here on some safety glasses. These are the Western Safety, and you've got three available colors. You got the black, the yellow, and the clear lens. These are going to be $1, 49% off. They were $1.99, and this is a great deal here to protect your eyeballs. This is the best time to get something like this, is now, and is for your safety, so I always say pick them up when you got the Dollar Day deals. Next up here we got the Pittsburgh Mini Pick and Hook Set, lifetime warranty on these. They're going to be $1 for 49% off, and once again, they are only $1. If you break them, they have a lifetime replacement. Go exchange them. Next up, we got the HFT Super Glue 3-pack for $1, 49% off. I've heard a lot of people say they like using this, so at $1, that is a great price. Then we got the Pittsburgh Micro Spring Clam Set. This is a 6-pack for $1, 49% off. If you guys don't use these for anything, if you get bags of chips, these things will keep bags of chips closed, and they're well worth it for $1. Next up here, we got the 3 to 2 prong ground adapters, 2-pack for $1, 49% off. And then we got the Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder for $2, 33% off. I actually snagged a couple of these when they had them for a free item. These things got a pretty strong magnet on them, and they work pretty good. Then next up here we have Hardy high-vis work gloves. These things are also very nice for $2, 19% off. That is a great deal. Then we got the Storehouse 12-inch silicone ties, 2-pack for $2, 33% off. These are some great Dollar Day stuff going on here. And of course, next up here, we've got the disposable blue shop towels for $3, only 14% off. If you're watching this before January 4th, use your 15% off coupon. If not, this still isn't too bad of a deal. Then we got the Storehouse L-Shape Hang-All 2-pack, $3, 39% off. Then we got the Centec 12-volt alternator battery checker, $4, 42% off. This is a very handy piece for only $4. Then we got a Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial coupler, your choice, for $4, 14% off. Once again, the threshold's 15%. If you're watching this before January 4th, use the 15% off coupon on something like this. You would get a better deal on it. Now we got a half-gallon multi-purpose sprayer here for $4, saving you 19%. And then I've heard a lot of people, this is a Quinn lifetime replacement 14-in-1 painter's tool, and a lot of people say they absolutely love using this, and it's only $4 right now at 19% off. Once again, a good time to grab it. Then we got an 8-foot 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp for $5 at 28% off. And then guys, when they're jacking up cars, or even if you put them on ramps, these right here is a must. These Hallmaster solid rubber wheel chocks. They're only $5 right now, 33% off. For $5, your safety is well worth $5. Pick a couple of these up. Next up, we got Pittsburgh Trim and Molding Tool Set, 5-piece for $5, 44% off. And I'm pretty sure these are covered under the lifetime warranty. Then we got the Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump for $5, 37% off. And it comes with all these different adapters down here for $5. That is not a bad deal. And then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement. 3 8-inch drive hex socket set, 6-piece, $5. Once again, your choice. ASE or metric, 44% off. Not a bad deal at all. Then we got Chicago Electric premium welding gloves for $6, 14% off. Once again, before January 4th, use the 15% off coupon if you want more. And then in the last row here, we got the Voyager 4-foot by 12-foot canvas drop cloth for $7, 26% off. And then next here is another good deal, and I'm telling you guys right now, you need these, and I'll tell you why after I get done reading this. Hercules impact rated hex shanked socket driver set 3-piece for $7, saving you 22%. These are actually made to go on a quarter-inch impact, and these are built to handle the impact of it. A lot of the other ones, sometimes they'll snap and break, and if you're not wearing eyeglasses, you're taking a chance of that thing snapping and pieces flying out and hitting you in the eye, which is why you should go buy the safety glasses we were talking about. But a lot of people don't really know that, but for safety, I would get these impact ones. And then next up, we got the Doyle Professional Retractable Utility Knife, $7, 22% off. And the thing I really like about these Doyles, they're a lifetime replacement here. And if you retract that blade, right down here, there's an actual gap for cutting string or whatnot in there. That makes this a very nice piece for only $7. And then last, we got the Vanguard 25-foot 16/3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $8, 19% off. Not a bad deal on that. And there you go. There is the dollar days from January 1st through the 14th. We're going to go through my picks here real quick since this was a shorter video. Safety glasses for $1, get them. Then we're going to move over here to this pick set. Once again, for $1, get them. Lifetime replacement. You break them, take them back, exchange them. I have not personally used this super glue, but I've heard a lot of people say that the super glue is real good, and for $1, get that also. Another thing, if you don't want to wait till this is a freebie again, this magnetic parts holder for $2 comes in real handy. Actually, I got the Icon shop stool, and the magnets that come with that are weak down in the tray, and I actually got a couple of those sitting down there to put nuts, bolts, and parts in when I'm working on cars. And then also these gloves for $2. These are a nice set of gloves for $2. And then we're going to go to the towels here. Not a bad deal at $3. This alternator battery checker for $4, I would snag that up. And this aisle, I would go, or this aisle, this row, I would go with the Quinn painter's tool, and definitely the wheel chocks if you're working on cars. This last one here, if you do interior work in cars, this molding set, and then the hex set here from Pittsburgh, I would recommend this also. And then in this last row here, the Hercules impact driver set, and this Doyle retractable utility knife. To me, those would be my picks that I would snag up in this deal. So there you have it. There's my picks for the dollar days, January 1st through the 14th. Leave a comment down below if there is anything you guys see that you want to snag up. I told you my picks. I would like to hear yours. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.